Top Automotive here. We have a 2007 997 Turbo. Very beautiful car. Getting some nice lowering springs installed. The back side, the springs is already out of the back. The backs are being pressed out as we speak. We have the old strut here. Still original spring. And here's the new one. The new spring with the original strut. The strut is still actually in good shape. So we're getting ready to actually remove it from the press. We also are doing the mounts as well. So that's what it is. And we're getting ready to do the fronts and both rears. Okay, so now here's the axle assembly. Getting those bolts removed. Get some lighting in there. There we go. The front, somebody's actually already been in here. I'm disassembling. There's supposed to be a bracket that holds both of these sensors, the brake and the ABS speed sensor. That bracket is missing. There's a metal bracket that actually folds out this way. That's unfortunate. Roll arms for the rear toe adjustment. This is going to be installed. It takes to get to the rear struts here. So all this has to be removed. Everything has to be unbolted. The speaker comes out, the seats. And we got the suspension completed. Time to set it up, get it aligned. Alright, so everything's in, the bumps are in, the bump stop. These always get deteriorated, so you always want to replace them. We'll replace the mounts. Everything's brand new. That way you don't have to worry about it next time when they do start to deteriorate. So that's the side that we still haven't put the wheels on. This goes same here. Did the bump stops here. Replaced the mounts, the top, and now it's time for an alignment. This car done. The suspension is fully installed. I haven't went on a test drive yet because I wanted to go ahead and preload the suspension, but it's a nice setup. We're preloading and doing all four-wheel alignment, checking all the cambers and getting all that done, caster and toe. If you come over this way, I'll show you the actual clearances on the IBAC suspension. I mean, you can't put two fingers in here, but it's about one right here. So definitely, this is the laser, the 3D laser that does alignment for us. Actually, I do the alignment, the 3D laser just guides me. Okay, so here's the factory setup. It's pretty cool because I have mine here next to it. So the factory is about, you could probably stick about 2.5 fingers in here. So it's about that much drop, this distance on the suspension. That's a nice drop, I think. I don't think anything lower than that is recommended. With a 20-inch rim, definitely worth it. So anyways, well, that's all I wanted to go over, and we'll see and maybe update you guys on the ride comfort. It's definitely going to be more bouncier on the black car, you know, versus the white car. But anyways, thanks for watching. Comment below if you have questions. Thank you again. Have a nice day.